my gosh, kids, it's the globe. Let's get a picture by the globe. Come on.
Here! Mapped it out and we're starting in the lower lot. Let's roll out!
I've got it covered. I downloaded the app on my phone.
Smile for mama! I see you!
It's like looking in a mirror.
Someplace? I got you, baby. Oh, time for Water World. We got a plane to catch. Let's go!
Hey kids, this is the world famous studio tour, and that's the world famous restrooms. We're all gonna go, even if you don't have to. Come on,
there's so much more to see.
Look, kids, we're in New York. I'm walking here.
I'm walking here. Mama still got it. Look at that. We used to wear these hats a long time ago.
Water? Yes. Stay hydrated. Drink up. I want you to stay hydrated. Water. Hydrate. I took the same exact picture with my family when I was your age. Oh, I'm getting emotional.
Have a good day, everybody.